What up, YouTube? Hey, I'm showing you real quick. This is how Newson Lawn Care. My client called me out because she wanted aeration and overseeding, and you can see behind me. First thing we do is try to clear your yard of any debris, tree branches, leaves, and get it a low cut. So you're gonna see me cut it low. Well, it's pretty much already cut. I'm just really using a lawnmower to suck up the leaves, and then I'm gonna go over it with the aerator. And then I got pre-germinated grass seeds with 550 Green Pro organic fertilizer. So put that down. Then I'm put some 1801 on top, granular, not the Green County Pro. All right, so check out the video.
21. Can you do some? Can you do some? Can you do some? Can you do some for me? 21. Can you do some? Can you do some? Can you do some? Can you do some? 21. Can you do some?
Hey.
Can you do some? Can you do some? Can you do some? 21. Can you do some? Can you do some? Can you do some? Can you do some? 21. Can you do some? Can you do some? 21. Can you do some? Can you do some?
Work.
Can you do some? 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 Can you do some?
This is the demo track.
Okay, now part two. We're gonna bring the aerator in. You see we got all the leaves up. Turf grass pretty much clean. We can get closer to the dirt. So now we about to aerate. Then after we aerate, we're gonna put down the grass seeds with the fertilizer.
This is the demo track.
it's fertilizer time and seed. So as you can see, grass seed 500 green pro county, or green pro, it's not county. And I'll put the link to it below. So I'm about to do the backyard, then I'm gonna do the front yard. But yeah, check it out.